Thank you, Chair, and a very good afternoon to distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Um, I would like to give my talk on the gender diversity in STEM with a case study in my university, which is named the oldest and the biggest one in the country. However, I'm very sorry if the data is not that detailed since I'm not that gender expert. I have the following six information to be discussed. And first is the basic education for the student enrollment from preschool to high school, and also some statistic data relating teaching staff, and followed by basic information about OUVP and number of academic staff with the different gender distribution, and also gender diversity in the faculty of science which I am belonging to, and the gender diversity across the department. The following data provide some basic information regarding the enrollment of students from preschool to high school, which clearly indicate a number of primary school students which account up to 67% of the total number. And we can see the female and male proportion is not that far different, since there is a policy regarding the basic education for all. So there's an encouragement, even the advertisement through media, that all parents need to bring their kids to school. So no male or female distinguished. However, the number is a little bit dropped from 67 to 18 of the total and to 9 of the total with that decrease, but we can see the male and female proportion is not that much higher. Taking into account the teaching staff, with number of male and female, it is also not that much difference in terms of proportion, but we can see the teaching staff of male in preschool is much more, even almost 100%. It's account up to 96% of the total teaching staff. However, it start to decrease just 52 within a number of female teacher in primary school, and it starting to sharply decrease to just 33 percentage within the number of female in higher grade. It means in higher in high school degree. So it means that percentage of female staff who are working within the same profession as a teacher, but more number is account and occupied to the lower teaching school only. Let's take a look at Royal University of Phnom Penh, which is the oldest one, which established in 1960. And we have up to now around 20,000 scholarship and also private fee-paying student with a wide range of degree offer, like non-degree course, undergraduate and postgraduates. The picture show our campus, the main campus one, and also the campus 2, which is allocated for few department under the social science departments. And we have the Institute of Foreign Language, which offers many different foreign language, and we have Cambodia Japan Cooperation Center and Community Cooperation Center. It's for a non-degree course offering only. Within the whole university, we have 3 faculty and institute. We have first the Faculty of Science, Faculty of Social Science and Humanity, and also the Institute of Foreign Language, which they offer a wide range of subjects different lists. For example, like the Faculty of Science, we have chemistry, biology, physics, computer science, and mathematics and environmental science where I'm working in. And the Institute of Foreign Language, we have different languages, for example, like Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, and also English and French. But English is the main driver of the institute. Like we have a much more number of students enrolled in English language. And within the Faculty of Social Science, we have a wide range of subjects like geography, social science, sociology, and so on. But since 2013, our university start to growing bigger and bigger, and we had established 3 more faculty called Faculty of Engineering and Faculty of Development Study and Faculty of Education. So here's the distribution of the academic staff of the whole university. It's been female account only up to 30% of the total staff in the whole university of 485. So it is dominated by the number of male staff in the university. However, it is indicate the very less number of female staff, just only 5.4 of the total. It's only 23 female only in the 2 Faculty of Science and Faculty of Engineering. Here is the some number indicate in the different department of the Faculty of Science, which we have a very less proportion of female in science, research and education. As you can see, we have just only 21% out of 79, which is male. This is the distribution of the gender across the department. It indicates a very less proportion of the mathematics and computer science. However, a leading female proportion is in the Department of Environmental Science, and followed by biology and chemistry. So I come up to the conclusion that more female proportion in the study of this workforce, it means they are just working in the logistic arrangement, management, so on and so forth, and they clearly indicate the gender disparity in science research in higher education, and also there is a need to have incentive policy for closing that gap. Thank you very much.